My dear art fairies, just a quick update about upcoming course, what we are starting already this week. I think I will make first lesson visible for you earlier than for everyone else. So basically tomorrow I think I will prepare all the materials and pattern, and I will upload it and get the link. So this link will be available for you in community tab. I won't put it below the video because this list will be available only for members, not for everyone. So tomorrow or Tuesday you will get access to the first lesson already, but for everyone else it will be on Friday. Then next week, Monday or Tuesday, again I will upload for you second lesson, and it will be available for all members of my channel. And then after, starting from lesson number 3, course will be available on the back and cross brush tier. I'm planning to release all lessons. There will be 6 or maximum 7 lessons, so it might happen that you will need or 2 months subscription for the $14.99, or you can wait while I will upload all the lessons. If you want to be up to date, motivate yourself to finish this project, I would highly recommend for you to start from lesson 1 already on the tier dedicated to this brush, and you already have access there to create these kind of brushes, so more advanced tier. But even for the beginning it will be possible to create, but will take a bit more time, but I'm there to help you out. Back and cross brush, you will get these 2 online courses, and I already uploaded live sessions where I created a red back brush but with a bit different wings. First of all, I created live stream for everyone on the lesson, but then I understood that I give a lot of techniques that should be available only together with a back brush. So now those live streams, there is 3 live streams at around 3 hours long, where I show another techniques, another placement of the wings. So if you want to create high-end jewelry, which you can sell not for $15 or $20, but for more than 100, so you are welcome to that tier, and we start already this week. So see you soon there, but it's up to you. If you are fine with your membership, it's good, because there we will have 2 lessons of how to create this cross. I will show how to work with metal wire and how to create inside of this brush, and why it's as well really useful tutorial about the middle, because you can use this middle in many projects. Like we created earrings, so you can start our middle part for pink earrings. I created with like a flower. You can start with this inside, and for the rings as well. So it will be very useful tutorial only for members. I won't share this tutorial for everyone else, because there I put some zircon stones, and I think this technique should be available only for my members. So let me know your questions. Maybe you have concerns to join this course, so I am happy to answer to you these questions. So just let me know. Thank you very much, and see you soon in our next beautiful course.